that social media platform. At the end of the video, I have 2 bonus points for you. So make sure you watch the video to the end. And I have AI tool that will share with you which will perform the task for you. So there's no need for you to perform the task for yourself. If you have that AI tool, it will do everything for you. So make sure you watch the video to the end and get everything before you start. So without wasting my time, let me take you to the screen and show you how everything. So first off, come to this website, AdminFast. I have the link in the description too. So if you come to this website, adminfast.com, and you get to this site called Register. If you tap on that one, then you go straight and enter your email address, your password, and the rest, and register your account. Note that this platform, you don't need to register multiple accounts. You need only one account. If you create multiple accounts, the system will block all your accounts. So make sure you create only one account. After you have done, then you log in. So if you log into the platform, this is how AdminFast works. AdminFast is a platform that we use to grow social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok, most of the social media platforms. So if you want to grow your social media platform and you have this website, then you are good to go. And this website has been in the system for 12 good years, and we have millions of people that trust this website. So everything that you do on this platform is organic. So you can use this platform to boost your account. After you have registered on this platform, one thing is that you need to get points that will help you put in your ads so that your ads will you generate the followers and the likes on this platform. So to be able to get the point that you want, you need to make sure you have any social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and the rest. So those platforms that you are going to use to get there. So to get the points, if you look at this side, you could say you get 4 points for subscribing to this channel. So if you have your social media platform like Facebook or YouTube account open on the system, you are going to use that one to subscribe to this channel. So that is what I'm saying, that this platform is everything that you do is organic. The person who need the points need to make sure you go in and subscribe to this channel. And to do that, one thing that I'm going to share with you is that make sure you create more fake account. You can create any account. You can create a different YouTube account and use that one when you want to perform the task. Use that one, open a new window and go to your YouTube account. So that account, that YouTube account that you are opening, if you type on subscribe, the system will track and follow that YouTube account so that you will subscribe to the channel. After you have subscribed to the channel, that you get the point. So if you look at this, I have 1,000 plus points here, and I can use this point to grow my channel. To get the point, if we want to perform everything ourselves, it will take most of our time. So that is where the AI tool come in. So for the AI tool, for you to get the AI tool, make sure you open a new browser and type in AdminFast tool for collecting points or something like that. It's a Chrome extension, and you need to make sure you add that Chrome extension to your platform. So if you look at this line, I've added that Chrome, that extension to my Chrome browser. If I type on this one, remove from Chrome, I will just take it off from my Chrome browser. So I will just leave it like this and come to this side, pin it to your browser. So if you check here, you will see that the extension that I've downloaded, they are all found in this side. And to use the window, open your YouTube account or any other account that you want to use. So after you open my YouTube account, then I go to the extension, hit on the extension and choose the accounts that I want to use. So this is the tools that I've used to accumulate or get these points. So I just hit start now. So if you look at here, I have YouTube subscribe, YouTube like. So if I hit on start now, let's check how the boot will work for us. So this boot is going to open that link here and subscribe to the channel. After it has done, then it will confirm it here for us. So look at the points here and let me leave everything. Let's wait. If you check here, it says 6 points added to your balance. So look at my balance here. At first it's for 1033. Now it has changed to 1039. It means the both have done the work for me. And after you have get all these points, we are going to add our social media platform like Facebook or any other link to it. So let me show you that one. Then I'll take you through where you can use this same process to earn or get money through a third party. So now let's go and add our link like Facebook or YouTube video to this platform. So to do that, come to this side. This is your profile. So let me go to this side and come to my site. So if I hit on my site, you could see all these are my site. So if you look at this side, I just added a Facebook page to this site, and to add a link, you just come to this side, add. So if you hit on add, it says Facebook page likes and followers. You can choose this side to choose any other things that you want. In case you don't want Facebook, you want Instagram followers, just choose Instagram followers and come to this side, just add any name. This is the country. You can select any country that you want here. So I've hit here and I can choose any country that I want. And selecting the country, if you want to select a country, your specific country, give us a chance to choose only 30 countries. And you can go for worldwide. If I hit here, then I'll go for worldwide. And the total click, you choose this side, you set the total click that you want. And you come to daily click. Every day, the amount of click that you want, you select that one. So this side is very important. The cost per click means the amount of points that you give to anyone who click on your link. Then that one you can set it. It starts from 5 to 25. So you can set that one, and the more the points, the higher or the faster you get your account clickable. So if I choose 5 points, then I just hit on save to save it. Then you are good to go. After you have done with this, just wait for the system to perform your task for you. So just wait for the system. It will do everything for you. And if you want to pause it, just come to this side. I tap on pause. It will stop this ad from performing. That means your points will not be hot and consume again. And you want to edit it, just hit at this side and start edit it again. You can edit it, you can choose a new name and the rest, but for the link, it will be that link that you already set. To make money from this platform is possible, or from this method is possible. In case you want to earn money from this platform, I said, because you have so many people who need people to grow their social media platform for them. Just come to Fiverr.com. If you come to Fiverr.com, it's a platform that you can post in your gig and something that you can do for people and take money from them. You come to this side, just come in and set up your gig. So if you look at this side, we have a lot of gigs here. It means what people are saying they can do for you. So in case you want someone to perform a task for you, you can come to this side and talk to that person, check for the charges. In case you are interested in, then you tell that person to perform that task for you and you pay that person. But we too, we want to earn money for performing tasks to others. So this one, it means we are growing a social media platform. And if you look at this side, we have a bunch of categories here. So let me go to digital marketing. You could see that people are saying they can grow Facebook, Instagram, promote and the rest for you and takes money from you. So all these things are things that you can do. If you check this one, I will super fast organic YouTube video promotion. So, and this person is taking $10 from this side. It could be that the person may say, if you grow your your YouTube account followers, he has amount or a certain amount of money that he will charge you. So you can come to this side and set up your own gig. If you want to know how to set up your own gig, let me see you in the comment. I'll make video on that for you. So come in this platform and set up your own gig. This is the first platform that I'm showing you. If you are not interested in using Fiverr, you can go to this platform to Spark Gig, come to this one and hit on sign up, or go straight and hit login. If you have an account here, you just hit on login, enter your details and hit login. If you haven't signed up, just go straight forward, hit on sign up and enter your details to sign up. So if I scroll down, you could see people have posted a link or a gigs here. You can do the same thing on this platform and get paid for just doing this simple thing. So all these are platforms that you can use the simple method that I gave on the admin file, the AI tool, and make money on this platform. You can use your social media account to promote your gigs to people and start earning from those people. So this is how I want you to start earning money. So if you're interested on this content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, comment, just say thank you on the comment section. I love you. See you in the next video.